How to order on Grabfood. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to order on Grabfood. First, go to your Grabfood app. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Here, you need to select the restaurant from which you want to order food. Next, select your food item. You'll have different options in the menu. Once you're done selecting the item, select the size of your food item, just like I'm selecting for my pizza. Also, you can select the quantity by tapping on this plus icon. Once you're done, tap on Add to Basket. Then you need to go to your basket. After that, tap on Change option right next to the delivery. You can choose between a delivery or self-pickup. Then, tap on Continue to go next. After that, tap on Edit to enter your address. Here, you need to add your address details. You can also add any note to rider. Once it is done, tap on Payment Method. Here, select the option of cash. Also, you can add a new payment method by selecting from these given options. Once you're all done, tap on Place Order. Your order will be placed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.